What is going on, guys? It's Jack. If you are interested in how my mentor was able to make $8 million in the last 30 months, starting from nothing, and how he helped me, a 20-year-old from the UK, go from zero to $100,000 in sales by starting an e-commerce store from scratch, and how you can do exactly the same, then stay tuned. It all starts with this man, Gabriel Beltran, who, when I almost lost all hope, showed up with his mentorship. More so his methodology and step-by-step system for building an e-commerce store from scratch, then finding, testing, selling, and scaling physical products he doesn't own, with Facebook advertising to millions of dollars per month with 80, 90, $100,000 days. In late 2016, with 17 grand in credit card debt and only $500 in his bank account, scaled his first big winning product, passing over $1 million online with the strategies he developed through sheer determination and will to succeed. And in the last 30 months has made over $8 million in sales, transforming his family's life and making his dreams a reality, all from only 5 products. You know, that inspired the absolute shit out of me. A true rags to riches story you have there. With that inspiration and a step-by-step system, I was able to build my e-commerce store from scratch and use the strategies that he's perfected and work right now with the Facebook group and community he's created to scale my business from $0 to $100,000 in sales in the last 90 days. I honestly believe you can achieve the same with enough desire to win and the ability to follow directions. If you're interested in how Gabriel was able to achieve such exceptional results and how he can ultimately teach you to do the same with your own online business like he's done for me, then I fully endorse you signing up for his free online class where he teaches his system, breaks it down step by step, and ultimately provides massive value for you to start applying today. Link will be above or below the video, guys. Don't miss out. It's a rare opportunity to actually change the direction of your life.